Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the controller vibration intensity on Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console. Then from here, simply press the options button on your controller to reveal this menu, or you can simply find the settings icon in the top right corner and select it, and it will give you the same menu. Now from the menu that appears, simply select settings. And then from here, use the RB or the LB button and find the controller section and ensure it's selected on the general category. Now from here, scroll and find the vibration intensity option. So for you to have this feature, you have to enable vibration. So in case your vibration is turned off, you cannot see this feature. So ensure that vibration is enabled, so that you can reveal the vibration intensity section. Now from here, you can use the left arrow key or the right arrow key to either increase the vibration intensity or reduce the vibration intensity of your controller. So that's basically it. And then once done, simply press the B button on your controller or press the O button or the box button to go back, and that will apply the changes. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.